Ayun guys, na ang recipe natin for this lunch is fried rice. Una sa lahat, magawa tayo ng omelette, egg. Iyan, pagkatapos, maghiwa tayo ng sibuyas at bawang. At maghiwa na rin tayo ng BB corn ang mixed vegetable. Ang maghiwa din tayo ng cubes na breast chicken. So, yan guys. Igisa na natin siya. Pagkatapos natin igisa, lagyan natin siya ng soya sauce, garlic powder, black pepper, and teriyaki sauce, and oyster sauce. That is only the ingredients of fried rice. After that, we'll separate boiling the rice. If the rice is already done, is cooked already, so we will add in the saute vegetable with the chicken. So, and also we will add the omelette egg. So we will mix together. So I have a vegetable like green peas, cubes, carrots, and cubes capsicum color, and cubes BB corn. So only this one my vegetable that I mix, and with chicken. So it looks delicious guy and yummy. So try this kind of food. It's so easy and affordable in your wallet. So thank you so much and God bless. Hope you like my content for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.